Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working on a meal prep. So I have this package of chicken tenderloins and I'm going to grill them up. So I'm just taking some Montreal, I think it's called steak seasoning. It's just a Montreal seasoning and I'm just sprinkling it on both sides and I'm going to grill these up and have these for my meals for the week. So let's go ahead and get these seasoned up. So I've got the grill heated up over here and I'm just going to stick each little piece of chicken on the grill and I'm just going to grill them for a few minutes on each side until they're done thoroughly in the middle. And then I'm going to go over here to the table again and I'm going to make up some salads for the week. So I'm going to make 3 salads. I have my container set out. I'm just going to go ahead and put my salad mix in each one of these bowls and then I'm going to go ahead and cut up my chicken. So I'm going to set these aside and then I'm going to get my chicken out. I'm going to go ahead and cut up all of the chicken that I grilled and I'm going to use some for the salads and some for my other meals. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these cut up really quickly and get them onto the salad.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
So now that I have my salads made, I'm going to get some chicken put in these other containers. I was able to get 4 containers worth of chicken. This is approximately 2 ounces. I just use the hand method, so the palm of your hand is 2 ounces. I'm going to pick up some French style green beans so that they're lower in carbs, and then I'm going to go ahead and put these out into my containers. I put a little bit of onion powder in these just to kind of give them a little bit more flavor. So I was able to get 4 containers out of 2 cans of green beans. So that's going to be my meals for the week. That's my lunches and supper. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.